So first we will see the table, and the number that's on the rightmost side we'll take it as our pivot. So here 77, I have highlighted it because it's our pivot. Okay, so I will start seeing from behind of 77 what are the numbers that are smaller than 77. I will replace those numbers with the numbers over here, and yeah, so you'll see. So before I replace 77, I want to see the numbers behind it. If there's any number smaller than 77, I want it to go on left, and any numbers that are larger than 77 will go on the right of 77. So here is 66, right? So 66 is smaller than 77. So I want to go on the left. On the left, I'll check, is this number greater than 77? Only then I can replace it with this number here. So here I'll do 66 and then 88. Okay, and then I will see that 43. Is it smaller than 77? Yes. Is this number smaller than 77? Yes. I cannot replace this with this because I want this number smaller than 77 to stay. So I will let 67 stay here. And then I will see for 43, 99. Can I replace 43 with 99? Yes, because 99 is larger than 77. So we can make the shift. So we'll put 99 here and 43 goes here, and then I'll see 90. 90 is larger than 77, so we don't need to replace it, we'll keep it here. Then is 78. 78 is larger than 77, so I don't want to replace it, I'll keep it here. Then is 23. 23, do I want to change it? Yes, because it's smaller than 77, I want it to go on the left. So 22 is also smaller, so I cannot replace with 22, so I'll let it stay. 55 is also smaller than 77, so I will let it stay. 33 is also smaller than 77, so I'll let it stay. 12 is also smaller than 77, so I'll let it stay. 76 is also smaller, so I'll let this stay. Then 23 is smaller than 77, yes. So I'll put 23 here. And now we want to replace 77. So we have all the larger numbers at behind of 77 and all the smaller numbers on the left of 77. So I'll see this 78, I can replace it with 78. So I will erase this now, and I'll put 77 here and 78 here. Okay, so now 77 is now in its original place. So I will write 77 with a different marker, so we know that we don't need to change 77 now. This is its original place. So throughout the table everywhere I'll write 77 because the position is finalized. So after this, now this is finalized, so we underline. Now we will see that which number is so we'll see up. We don't want, now we started from here, right? So we don't want this thing to actually we don't want, okay, so we started from here. Now we don't want to solve this part first, but we want to start from here now, because the number that we have already ordered, we want to order the numbers before it first. So for 23, what we are going to do is 23, we'll see, okay, 23 is smaller than 77. Yes, so I wanted to go on left. 66 is also smaller than 70. Oh, sorry. So 77 is now done, right? So now I want to sort the numbers behind 77, so I'll choose 23. Now I'll choose the number right after the most sorted number, which is 23. And then, so after 23 I'll see, okay, 76 is larger than 23, so 76 stays here. 12 is smaller than 23, so it is shifted by 66, because 66 is greater than 23, so we'll make the shift. Then 33 is greater, so we'll let it stay. 55 is greater than 23, it stays here. 22 is smaller than 23, so we switch it with 67. So we put 22 here and 67 here. 43 is larger than 23. Yes, the 23 goes here and 43 comes here. Okay, so now 23 is also in its original place. So the entire thing will be 23, 23. Now 23 cannot be replaced because it has reached its final destination. Now, before going to solve here, but we will solve the numbers behind the next pivot. So the pivot was 23 this time. So now when it's sorted, I want to sort the number behind 23, which is 22. So I'll start with 22, and then I will see, okay, 22, is there any number smaller than 22 that needs to go on left? Yes, 12. 12 is already in its place, and there is no number in here. Okay, sorry, there is no number behind that is smaller than 22. So I will fix 22 in its place as well. And sorry, yeah, so 22 is fixed in its place, and no need for the change. So 22, this is the original position for 22 now. Yeah, and then is 12. Okay, so 12 is the next number after the pivot, right? So I want to check 12 first. Before that, I want to check 12. Now 12 is already in its place. There's no number that's smaller than 12 that needs to go on the left. So I will just put 12 in the permanent place. Now, which number do we choose as our pivot? So which number do I choose as my pivot? I will choose the number that is here, like the number we have this pivot, right? So I will choose the very next number now, so which is 43. So now I'll repeat the steps. I'll compare the numbers, and yeah, so I'll unpause the video after comparison.